Bueno, sí. Camina.
We're here on a Saturday morning at the Las Vegas International Airport, and our flight leaves at 6 a.m. We were supposed to leave yesterday at 8 a.m. on United Airlines, but we got a text message saying that there was engine problems and it was going to take hours to fix, and we were going to miss our flight, so they had to put us on a flight this morning on Saturday morning instead of Friday morning. We're fortunate enough to have our Visa Sapphire card, which allows us to be members of the Priority Pass group, where we get to eat at certain airport lounges. Some places have showers, some have alcohol, and so forth. It opens at 5 a.m. It's almost 5 a.m. And so we're here waiting in line to get a little bit of food before we depart to Houston and then on to Puerto Vallarta.
Con unos traguitos de Fernet, se le toda la timidez. Pásalo, no solo te.
Ladies and gentlemen, that double chime indicates our final descent into Puerto Vallarta. Right now, we would like everyone's cooperation in preparing this cabin for a landing.
Pásalo, no solo tal vez. Ella en mi gata, ya. Perrea en la disco como nadie más. Ella en mi gata, yeah. Ella en mi gata, ya. Ella en mi gata, ya. Perrea en la disco como nadie más. Ella en mi gata, yeah. Ella en mi gata, ya. En fiesta es que no pierde ni una. Es de aquí, pero parece de cuna. Pero así no le piche a ninguna. Criminal como nada para Ozuna. Ella sabe que de la disco no la van a quitar. Los fines de semana son tan santos, hay que vacilar. Ready, con ropita cortita para janguear y tirar. De mí se deja llevar, combina la ropa con tu actitud, es que dominas. Chica con esa virtud, rompe bocinas. No hay nadie como tú, como tú, como tú, como tú, ya. Combina la ropa con tu actitud, es que dominas. Chica con esa virtud, rompe bocinas. No hay nadie como tú.
Here we are at a room on Mayan Palace at Vidanta Resorts, Nuevo Vallarta. It's a one-bedroom suite. It's a little bit smaller than the Grand Mayan rooms, a little simpler.
Yeah, the kitchen is a little smaller, but that's okay. I don't want to cook anyway.
It's the bedroom, nice big bed, ceiling fan TV, makeup table, pretty standard. Closet's good size with a safe. Again, it's not as nice as the Mayan Palace, the Grand Mayan, but it's adequate.
Vamos y sin censura, yo te hago todo a ti dulzura. Que pa' eso vente, yo solo cuenta todo. Y si tú quieres te pone a buscar. Es como tú lo mueves, rapa, pam, pam. Haciendo locura en la mañana. Si alguien te pregunta no ha pasado nada. Solo amaneciste en mi cama. Dale, bésame, ven y atrápame. Hagamos jueguitos que de chiquito no pude hacer. Esa voz tan delicada no demuestra lo que tú haces con mi piel. Vamos y sin censura.
I was very impressed with this workout fitness center on the first floor of the Mayan Palace. It has an array of stationary bikes, a rowing machine, several treadmills, steppers, along with many regular weights for free weights, easy curl bar, dumbbells, benches, and it also has an array of machines that you can use. So I really enjoy this. Cyber Cafe. Looks like it has a bar.
Well, if you want, but I don't want to drink tequila. This is the first thing we do when we get at Vidanta. We have to do our first trip to Walmart.
We check out all the specials as well as the chips here are very good, better than in the US, so we're stacking up with them. We have a whole bunch Doritos.
We love those
Cheetos,
chips from here. They taste
Ruffles.
so good.
I would estimate this Walmart to be about 6 miles from the pickup area of the taxis at Vidanta. There's also a Sam's Club close by as well. We paid 180 pesos, which is about $11 for each way, but we also had the driver stay for us, and so it cost us a total of about $30.
I would walk on glass. I would run 10,000 miles and more. I would give my eyes. If you lost your sight, I would run.
Our first full day here at Vidanta Resort in Nueva Vallarta, Mexico. We got in yesterday, went to Walmart, got our groceries, went walking around a little bit last night. Then today, we slept very late. We slept probably 12 hours because we were very tired. And so we're here exploring now. Since we've never stayed at the Mayan Palace, we have to figure out how to get places from there because we've stayed at the Grand Mayan in the past. So here we go. Pool, the Grand Bliss Hotel, the Sky Dream and Beachland, which is where we want to go. The Mayan Palace that way, where we're staying, and along with the Grand Bliss Hotel. Santuario, which is a sanctuary, is that way. There's some maps here that kind of help you out.
It's the beaches that we want to go.
Look, I got a lovely bunch of coconuts.
You have to sing.
No, I don't know. I don't sing.
You know how to sing.
No, I don't know. What would I sing? We can drink some fresh coconut juice,
Coconut
but
water.
I don't think it's ready yet.
I think those coconut is ready to
Yeah.
get some water.
You put the lime in the coconut, then you feel better. You put the lime in the coconut. Here we have another section that goes different directions. The Grand Bliss Hotel, Mayan Palace, which is where we stay, is that way, along with La Plaza. And then you have the Grand Mayan, where we stayed three times before on that side. And then the Balanche restaurant that way. And then the beachside eateries and market going that way. So you can go one of three different directions here. We're gonna probably just go to the Grand Mayan area since we already know that area, and then we're gonna loop around. They didn't dig up this tree to put this walkway. Instead, they put around the walkway. They opened up the area so that they wouldn't destroy the tree.
Of course, the tree was here first.
That's cool. This is called Saloon, and it has different eateries. You can get churros, tacos, roasted corn, many different things, beer, and they sometimes have some shows there as well in the evening. It's a fairly newer area, and we were here last time, and it was really cool. We're glad we discovered it. It goes all the way to the beach. At Saloon, you can also shop for souvenirs and hats and other things. And here, I think this is still up from Dia de los Muertos, which was just a few days ago.
Le gusta gozar y vacilar, yeah. Con unos traguitos de Fernet, se le toda la timidez. Pasarlo, no solo tal vez. A ella le gusta gozar y vacilar, yeah. Con unos traguitos de Fernet, se le toda la timidez.
Here is a view of Saloon from the beach side. Here's a boardwalk, and this area that's showing now is called Beachland, and it has many lounge chairs and coverings where you can order drinks and have your drinks there or bring your own food and drinks. And we spent a lot of time there just relaxing and enjoying the warmth and the ocean, and it was just a great place to relax. During the day, it has many couches and lounges areas and places where you can sit or lie down. There's nothing much going on right now as it's during the day, but here are some signs of the different food trucks that are available and drink trucks. And so that tells you where they're at, and you can just walk up to them and order. Here's a small bar that's open earlier than the rest. Most everything was closed right now except for this and the souvenir shop. The nighttime is when it really gets involved. Adjacent to Beachland and Saloom are these hammocks, as well as a couple of nice pools that are about 4 feet deep, along with a swim-up bar and 2 outdoor restaurants. These are for use for people like us who were staying in the Mayan Palace, and I think some other hotel people can use this as well. It was quite adequate, but we were bummed out that we could not use the lazy river, and we were told it was only for guests that stay at the Grand Mayan, which we have stayed for at 3 times before. You can get to this place also from other areas of the property through walkways. You don't have to go right on the beach to get to it. This is the life. This is one of the outdoor restaurant bars that I talked about, adjacent to the pools, called Puerto Manjar.
Vamos y sin censura, yo te hago todo a ti dulzura. Que pa' eso vente, yo solo cuéntate. Y si tú quieres te pone a buscar. Es como tú lo mueves a pa pam pam, haciendo locura en la mañana. Si alguien te pregunta no ha pasado nada, solo amaneciste en mi cama. Dale, bésame, ven y atrápame. Hagamos jueguitos que de chiquito no pude hacer. Dale, bésame, ven y atrápame. Que ahora adultos sabemos bien lo que vamos a hacer. Tu piel caramelizada, el pecado, pronto voy a cometer. Esa voz tan delicada.
One of the dinners we had was on the outdoor restaurant next to the pools. We had dorado fish with salad for Ely and Valeria, and we had appetizer of potatoes with bacon, sour cream, and guacamole, and I had shrimp with salad.
Vamos y sin censura, yo te hago todo a ti dulzura. Que pa' eso vente, yo solo cuéntate. Y si tú quieres te pone a buscar. Es como tú lo mueves a pa pam pam, haciendo locura en la mañana. Si alguien te pregunta no ha pasado nada, solo amaneciste en mi cama. Dale, bésame, ven y atrápame. Hagamos jueguitos que de chiquito no pude hacer. Dale, bésame.
And as you can see, we had 2-for-1 happy hour drinks, mango margaritas, strawberry margaritas, and Long Island iced teas. They were very good.
Ven y atrápame. Hagamos jueguitos que de chiquito no pude hacer. Dale, bésame, ven y atrápame. Que